Oh yeah, baby. The fresh boy. What's going on, guys? So today we're going to a thrift store because we're getting some new furniture for some specific things. Lena! So it should be good. I'm excited. We got some cool stuff coming along. And did I show you guys? I didn't show you my pop skis. It was the other day. And I got a bunch of pop skis. Look at the crew from your mom chilling.
Them's the one that I got you.
These are the ones Monica got me.
Those three.
She got Kylo Ren, Rey, and then Wonder Woman.
So Wonder Woman symbolizes Lena. Kylo Ren symbolizes Ryan. Like and Rey, I would like to live vicariously through Rey. I love this video.
Go check out Instagram for the full video. Should I post, you guys, should I post my Instagram videos on here? They're only like a minute long. I'd probably put them all together. I don't know. I just don't know. I used to post those types of videos on Instagram, but if I were for YouTube, I'd make them longer than a minute. But these are like 50 seconds to a minute. I lost my wallet, so
So bad you lost this wallet.
I have no money. Like I can't do anything. I had a couple plans this weekend, but I can't really do anything. What?
I go park first.
Yeah.
Hi.
Was that fun?
Can I go again?
Yes.
Purchase your tracks. Purchase your tracks today.
Don't get hurt, please.
Oh no!
Or else you're gonna become a meme.
Why? Because I look too happy?
No. You ever see those people eat it on swings?
Oh.
Alright, we just got home. I'm going to pack up my camera gear and head to my buddy's shop. We're gonna be filming a video about cars and stuff. He just got picked up a new vert and it's pretty exciting.
Guys, this is Frankie. Did you introduce them to Frankie yet?
Yeah, I saw.
I think he is pretty tame. He lets me hold him and doesn't bite.
Lena, what are you painting?
Horse.
Horse?
Again! Ta-da! Ta-da!
It's really good, Liam.
Alright, love you. I love you. Alright, so now we're going to my buddy's shop, Strums, I always forget what it's called, but it's down the road a bit. We got all packed up. Little confused here. I literally don't know where my wallet went. And it's gone. Like there's I just can't find it. And I have a quarter of a tank. And hopefully I find it before I need gas. You know what I'm saying? Because your boy ain't got nothing. My man.
How you doing?
Hey. Oh boy, what do we got? Oh, we got two right here. What's happening, guys?
I never realized in a stock SR how quickly it'll snap loose in second. Like my car doesn't break loose in second, just flooring it.
Yeah. How is it?
It's not bad at all. It's just
how much did you get it for?
$28.50.
Oh, that's nothing.
Yeah. But he got a lot of shit that he can sell for to virtually get the car for like $1,500.
That's crazy. That's sweet.
I think it's Tyrod going down this side. Tyrod. It does have a little bit of shake.
Rails look good. The full check. AP, and you got the I don't spin bearing oil pan.
We're pretty sure it's the crank sealant's leaking.
The fresh boy. that Weldon half cage?
Well, it's not gonna save me. We'll put it that way.
Why?
It's because it's not plated underneath.
Like that, I'm out here. I was just stopping by. I wanted to see the new car. Steve got his, I don't know if that's his first 240 or his second or whatever, but he's all pumped about it. He's wanted an S13 for a while, and I'm excited for him. I'm happy for him. I had to get home though. I was gonna chill out. They're on a parts run. Tom's doing work, but I gotta get back with the family. We're going to Chuck E. Cheese tonight, and ooh, you so fancy, girl. Would you like to come and follow me on my daily chicken spree? Hey-oh, it's me. Hey, it's D.
Is this
Lena. Yeah. Papi. Who is that? Who is that? Appreciate it. Thanks for coming along with me on today's/yesterday's journey. I've just been really just been relaxing with the family lately. I've been just kind of enjoying my time. One of my goals for 2018 is just spend way more time with the fam squad, because last year it was just go. So, you know, I'm gonna get on my grinds when I got to. Working on finalizing the Instagram video. I'm probably gonna post that Wednesday. Like it came out pretty cool. I'm really enjoying. One of the goals for this year, when I go to Club Loose events, I think I'm gonna focus on collecting a database full of drift event footage, different angles, every single get one run, move 3 steps over, another run, 3 steps over, and just go around the whole entire track and get like as much footage as possible and get every angle and all that good stuff, guys. Because I love going back into my archives and seeing like old footage I never even used. So yeah. With that, I love you guys. Happy Monday. We love you. Go Birds. Eagles games tonight. It's Sunday. I don't know why. Today I just been what did I do? Oh, I helped Monica's dad work a little bit, and I just been chilling. I worked on the video for a while and editing for the last, I don't know, a couple hours. So happy Monday, guys. We love you so much. Hit me up on Instagram. We're getting to the point where we're getting low on inventory for products, so we will be moving into the 2008 catalog soon. I started designing some things, and I'm pretty excited for this new upcoming products. I got a lot of stuff I've been working on for a long time, and it's gonna be rolled out shortly. Shortly meaning a couple months. You guys go check out becausedaddy.com, shameless plug. So go check it out. We're getting low, and we're, you know, I just want to make sure we have products for you guys at all times. So holla at your boy, son. Go check it out. We love you. Holla, holla, holla. Happy Monday, guys. Yeah. Holla at your boy.
Be a little bit quiet.
I'm sorry.
And nothing's ever made me cry as much as you, I swear. Your smile gives me motivation and some new ideas. My worst fear was always you not knowing who I am. Cause I've been on the road, dream chasing for you out here. I was the first thing that you opened your eyes to, and the last one that you said goodnight to. I went home and cried to, and I bawled my eyes out and then watched you. Glad I got you, that's a blatant fact. And every negative thing I said, I swear I take it back.